Now let's have a live demo of this IVB7 web streamer streaming the videos to the portal. So here is the username and the password to log in the IVB7 web streamer. Now let us log in. Before connecting and streaming the videos, we need the portal to be set with the player, right? So let's log into the site and see where we are going to arrange the player to broadcast your videos. So let us log into the site that is provided to me, that is liveib7.com. Once we have entered, we'll set a new page, we'll add a player, and we'll be ready to broadcast the live streaming. So let us see the process. Now here is the live site provided to me to add my page and my player. So let us try to add the page and the player right now. Before we do it, we need administration rights to log in, right? So when you get the package, you'll be getting the username and the password. So that is the administration site. So let's sign in and get into the administration page of this site. So here my email ID and the password. Now it's logged into the page. You can see all the features being applied here. So let us add a new page right now. So here is the page. Under this parent page, I'm going to add a new page. So let's add my IVB7 page. Now automatically the URL will change to that name. Now you need to add this page to a menu or a sitemap. Sitemap is where you can see the brown color tab on the top. It's called the sitemap, and now we need it only in the menu. So remove this one, and now you can change the skin. Skin is known as themes, so you can change your themes. Now in that page, do you want your comments or other features also available here? You can add the features you like to your page. So hide this page from the authenticated users. That also, it's just a security to the page. So let's create the page. So now let's view this page. So here you find the page. So click on this. You can see it has redirected to the page. So now the page doesn't have any content to be shown. So let's try to add a player to this page. For that, you need to go on to edit this page, and you need to add a feature. So let's add a feature player and give a name. Now the location is center, and create a new content. Now the IVB7 is here. Or if you need to change the name, you can click on settings. Now you need to edit this page. For any correction, you can just click on this edit this page. You can click on this. Now it's connecting. Now these are the player settings. For this player settings, as I said, when you have purchased your portal and the software, you will be assigned a live player ID. It will broadcast only live events. So for that, we'll check on this flash was here. My player ID is 101182. Now when we go and check at the software, that will be same 101182. So this is a live player ID. If you want to broadcast a live session, you need to select this player ID. Now I've selected this one. Now the plugin will be configuration echo plugin. Now when I clicked update, it is updated successful, and now I am saving the entire settings. Now I have here a click here to download the plugin. It has some supporting software, so it has to be downloaded. When I clicked on the download plugin, it has shown some plugin to be downloaded, the flash player. Now let us click on next. Now it's downloading. Once it is installed in the website page, you will be able to view the flash player. So we have seen how to add the page and how to add the player, how to edit the settings, how to select your player ID, and how we updated the entire updated and save the entire settings. Before you install your software and as well as the requirement that is needed for the player, you need to install the flash, or otherwise it indicates that you need a flash player to be installed. So when you play, there is no camera connected because there is no streaming happening in your software. Once the streaming happens, you will find the video being detected here. Now if it shows there is no camera connected or no video is being broadcasted, you need to first stream your videos in the software. So to let us stream the video and watch what is happening here. Okay, now I've selected the audio and the video device here, and I've set the preset as regular quality, and now we'll click on this settings. This is always checked because default your video decoder will always be in NTSC-M when you first of all install. So this video decoder will be in a standard to PAL B, and we have to click on this video standard and then click on OK to preview your video. So you can see the video is being streamed here. If at all after doing this setting and when you click on preview you are not able to see the video is being streamed here, you have to unplug the cable from the PC and connect it once again and stream it. Mostly it starts working at that time. Okay, now have to select the player ID and you need to click on save on server if needed. When you click on save on server, it will be saved in your server and streamed to the portal. The save on server will have a copy in the server to which the file is being streamed. This is a live event that is going on, so let's see in the portal how it's been streamed. So now let us watch the video here. Now once the setting is done, Now here we click on this page. Now we can find the player here. Now let's stream the video here. After setting all the settings in the IVB7 web streamer, you need to start the streaming. If it is new recording, you have to click on new recording. If you have recorded earlier, you can click on to continue with the last recording. It will add it to the same file. Especially when you click on save on server only, this type of recording option will appear. If the file that you are going to be streamed and put in your server is new, you click on new recording. In some point of time you are not able to record, you have stopped the session, you once again start recording, right? So you need that same file to be written in the same place. So you need to click on continue with the last recording and click on record. Now it started to stream. Now let's click on preview on. You can see how your video will be streamed in the website. Before, when I connected, there had some issues with connecting. Now it's working. Now we can see the live streaming of the videos here. Now as the streaming going on, you'll find the you can find the streaming event right in the website where your player ID is been assigned. Now once you stop your streaming from your server or from your software, the streaming also will be stopped. Now the streaming stopped. Now you can find there is some no camera connected, no video is being broadcasted. So this is all about the portal and the streamer interacting each other to give a live video session. So make sure that when you connect to your streamer, web streamer, make sure if it is a live session, just make sure these two are not ticked, that is enabled. You can enable them if you want these recording to be recorded in your server or in your PC. So this is the whole process that happens. That make sure all the settings are correct, and if you wish to have these save on options to be indicated, you can click on this and you can start streaming. This will be streamed in the portal that is assigned with the player ID. Your recorded videos will not played in the live ID. So this is the whole process of IVB7 web streamer and its portal.